Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore factory default settings onto your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and restore your PS5 to its factory default settings. Maybe you're preparing it for resale. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is navigate to where it says settings. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says system. Now from here, you want to scroll down again on the right-hand side under system software, where it says reset options. Now this is the really important step, guys. You're going to see this option here that says restore default settings. So what this is going to do is that it's going to restore your PS5 to its factory default settings. So if you're preparing it for resale or if you're preparing to actually get rid of it, this is the option you want to go ahead and choose. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your PS5 to its factory default settings. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.